Well, hello, Switch It Up world. It's your boy Todd and Sheila sitting on a bench.
Really? We wanted to share with you something exciting that's just, we got a lot going on right now.
We do have a lot, and this is why a special announcement video is needed.
A lot rolling out your way. We've got a lot of huddles for you to check out, but we're really excited about something this year we're rolling out called Crew Campouts.
Now, they're going to be happening across the United States. There's going to be different people involved, and it's really, I don't know, I'm kind of surprised on how well it's shook out so far. And now it's time for you to look on your calendar to see if you can make one of these.
Basically what a crew campout is it's just where the crew is doing exactly what it says. The crew's getting together and just camping out. It is $10 per rig, and you then book all of your own sites. You'll get an email regarding where you're gonna book your site from, and you guys are just gonna get together and hang out.
Yeah, it's gonna be great. Now they're gonna be smaller and less money, because a lot of times people are like, well, I can't afford some of the budget, or I can't travel that far at this time. This is a way that we can all participate. Now, you're gonna ask the question, is Todd and Sheila gonna be? Well, we can't be at all the crew campouts across the United States. We're talking Virginia, we're talking Colorado, where else is it? Utah.
Well, and they will always be changing, because I think there's one that only has one spot left. But they'll be constantly being rolled out by different hosts. So you'll have to just follow the Eventbrite, watch our website, as crew campouts will be being rolled out all the time.
And a good thing to do is go to the website, register for the newsletter, because once a month we put that out, and then that'll give you updated stuff as well as the crew campouts. But you can always go to GoSwitchItUp.com, click on the events tab, and then you'll see huddles, which we do have huddles the rest of this year. We still have, what do we have? Colorado is still open, and Michigan and Georgia will be launched soon. So if you're looking to meet any of those dates, you can check those out too. But crew campouts will be in the next tab down, and it'll just say crew campouts.
Yeah, it's just a real kickback way for you guys to meet other crew and form that community. So we're super excited about it.
Yep, so hopefully you like this too. Special announcement. Yep, and when it is March, we're on a beach in jackets, but it is probably one of the nicest days we've had in a while. So it's just beautiful. So we look forward to seeing you on the road. And if you have any questions, shoot us an email, contact us on the website as well, and we'll be able to answer those. Anything else?
Yep, just check them out.
Just check them. She always does that, check them out.
Check it out.
And we're out.